It is time to do a layered bob so that we can build some body and make the hair nice and full. So the very first thing we're going to do is establish the outline. You can see I've got a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections clipped away, combing that first section down to establish the length, the new outline for throughout the rest of the haircut. Once we've established the length, at that point we will then establish the layering. So I'm going to work my way up. You can see I've taken another section, clipped it away, combing that section down, and I'm basically, you can see right there, I'm using my hand to hold the hair flat against my model's neck so that I can cut that current section the same length as the previous section. I'm going to work my way up both sides of the hair to establish this outline, and once we're done, we will do the layering. Okay, so now that we've got the outline done on the right side, you can see I'm doing the exact same thing on the left side. Not a whole lot to explain here other than, again, you can see I'm just using my hand to hold the hair steady and flat against my model's neck to cut the outline on the left side. It is now time to cut the layers. You can see I'm taking a section, combing it back right there, cutting in those layers so that the hair will be fuller and thicker when it lays down. I'm going to continue taking sections, over directing to the previous section so I know how short to cut each section. By taking the current section, over directing it to the previous section, you'll always know how short to cut the current section. I'm going to address the layering here on the left side, and then once I'm all done, we will do the layering on the right side. Not a whole lot to explain because I already explained it on the left side, but I'm just taking sections on the right side, combing them back to the previous section to cut the layers on the right side. Once we've completed the layering, we will go ahead and blow dry it and cut the bangs. Alright, the hair is dry. It is now time to cut the bangs. You can see I am bringing the hair down, holding it in my fingers to cut the desired length that we're looking for. Alright, check out those layers, how it makes the hair look fuller and thicker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Put any of your questions or comments down below. And thank you so much for watching.